What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video, I just kind of want to reveal kind of the color scheme that we're going to be going for on the K-Swap project. I've been thinking when I pull the engine and everything out of that, and before I do the K-Swap, I want to clean up the engine bay, paint it, and I was trying to think of what color scheme I was going to go for. I mean, the car's white, so I was trying to ponder on what I want to do with it and what colors and all that. And I've been on the internet looking for a pit bike, and it just so happened that my local store here got in the 2023 pit bikes, and Honda decided to go with new color schemes on some of their bikes. So I want to show you guys what I picked up, and I fell in love with it based on the color. So that's what we got. (2023) CRF 110, and this is one of the new color schemes that Honda came out with. And of course I had to pick up one for my daughter. I'm digging that color, and after looking at it and everything with the project car, I think that might be the color we're gonna go with on the engine bay, our secondary color. I think it'll look real good against that white, kind of like the bike. So when the time comes and I start doing this engine swap, we'll be cleaning that engine bay and scuffing it, and gonna find the paint color to match. And that way, if we go and run that Civic out at the track or whatever we may do, I have a pit bike that matches, and I think it'll be real cool. Plus, I wanted a 110 anyways. I do have my 350 KTM over there, but that's a little extreme to take to the pits, so I think this will work out perfect. Plus, I can ride with my daughter, so it just works both ways. Alright guys, that'll wrap up this video. Let me know what you guys think, and if you guys are digging that color for the Civic. I appreciate you guys all watching. Stay tuned. We might be doing some mods on the little 110 also. I appreciate you guys watching. If you like what you see, give me a thumbs up. If you want to see the 110 getting built and the Civic with the K-Swap, hit the subscribe button. Appreciate you guys.